Aloha, this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Indeed, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Tapo Link C210 security camera to your Tapo app. If you don't have, you have to download. So let me show you the process. First of all, we'll go to our phone. Could be any phone, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, this one, or iPhone, doesn't matter. Go to App Store or Play Store. Type here Tapo. Here we go. So here it will tell you something as install. I already have this one. So I will open. After installing, you have to open. Type here Tapo. Here we go. The application looks as this. Click that one. You have to make an account with the application in this case, okay? So I have many cameras before. For you will not see anything. So now at the top, you have to hit plus button. You can see here. Add device. Hit this one. You have two type of application here. You have Casa version and Tapo version. So this is Tapo. So indoor camera, outdoor camera type. You have to decide this one are indoor. Hit indoor cameras. You have to select which one is your model number. My one is, this one is C210. So this one is here, C210. I hit this button. Then it's telling me power up my camera. So we'll go to the cam. So we'll take our camera. Here we go. We have memory card inside. If you don't know how to do that, so memory card you put inside as this. And you have to press gentle pressure. Inside is gone. So now we'll put here the power cords. Lovely. And the camera is doing some light. You see red light. I'm showing you side by side. So in the app, what we have to do, we have to hit next button and we'll follow the light in the cam. So camera is blinking, the light, you see green light here in the app. Already connected to your device. I hit already connected. It's making some noise or something. I feel some vibration at the hand. The camera is moving, guys. I leave that, it was moving. You see how it's moving the cam. So here, connect to device. Now, next option, hit connect. You can see, guys, it's searching for the device. You see here, the camera is connected with the phone. So it's connected already. Now I have to connect with the network. Which one? Normally it doesn't support 5G network. It's 2G network in this case. So connect the Wi-Fi. That I hit this one. To put the password of the Wi-Fi here. I put my password. Now I will hit next button here.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
So Wi-Fi is connected. It has said I have to put the name of the camera here. This will be in my kitchen. Then I hit next button to decide a picture from here. Kitchen, whatever. Here we go. So I hit next button. Configuring your cam. Sounds good. I put here. You can start a plan if you want to pay every month to them for service and all that, or you want free. I go skip this one. I don't want any plan. Skip, got it. SD card is inside till 512 gigabyte we can use. I hit here, got it. So here my cam, new one, kitchen. I hit this one to see. Go. Chat, listening. I close this one. Let's see. New microcard identification. You can listen. Initial micro SD card is doing something 0%. Meanwhile, we can check our camera here. You can see, guys, it's looking. Can move to show you. You can see the camera is down. I'm moving. The location. Put here. And here is the cam. So I put here. You can see one side of my room, motion detected. So the setup is done, guys. So this is the way you can do setup your Tapo Link C210 security camera. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.